Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm discussing about the master and dynamic system. So real sound and design motivate everything we do. We have a deep passion for building beautiful career crafted technically sound tools designed to be modern yet timeless. Our headphones, our earphones, speakers utilize only the finest material and are engineered to last, creating perfect balance to aesthetics, strength, comfort, and a substantial sound. As you know, the story behind the brand, founder Jonathan Levy was first drawn to headphones after building a recording studio in his office. To support his shared passion with his music man, son Rupert, and Imperium DJ music provider procedure Jonathan a serial customer, quality and evaluated design, and his son could use. While during colleges, they came across a pair of WW a feature, headphones in a museum, and could not help but notice how elegant and timeless the headphones looked. In that moment, Jonathan decided he wanted to design and build headphones that in 50 years would also stand the test of time. And simply put, our sound tools look as good as they perform. Melt down more sets of headphones and you will be left with a lump of plastic. But what if audio products were instead constructed from premium materials like fine leathers, stainless steel, concrete and other higher-end finishing? We bring to market an uncompressing approach to elevated design materials, craftsmanship, and performance. As you know, product of DNA. There are 3 products. So I hope you will like my video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.